Hello, my name is Ann Boland, and I'm owner of the Boland Group, an executive search consulting firm which I co-founded with a partner in 1999. We specialize in mission-critical recruiting for companies in information-intensive industries. We say mission-critical because we're often the first search firm a company has ever used. Many of our clients have just reached the point where they've tapped out their internal network of employee referrals and still need to grow. So almost every position we help a company like that recruit is critical to their mission. We're client-driven, which simply means we don't find jobs for people, we find people for jobs. Companies typically engage our recruiting services to assist them in a number of ways. To recruit very senior positions, where it's important to thoroughly penetrate the market, including all direct and indirect competitors. For a global VP of sales, for example. Confidential positions. Sometimes we're conducting a replacement search or there's an incumbent. For example, a company that has a VP of finance but needs a CFO with prior successful IPO experience to help take them public. Since these enormous 24/7 data centers are one of the largest consumers of electrical power, we're doing an increasing number of searches for companies in the clean tech and renewable energy space, ranging from building out the leadership team of a fuel cell startup to recruiting a seasoned sales rep of an energy services company, or ESCO. Because I was a partner with a Big Five firm, we do our fair share of professional services search assignments, both for management consulting firms and for business advisory boutiques. We also do a lot of recruiting in finance, accounting, audit, and tax. You can't get through IBM sales training and make quota without learning something. That experience has been key to our success in recruiting client-facing professionals, from individual contributor sales reps on quota to chief marketing officers to global VPs of business development. We offer our clients the best of both worlds. We're a small boutique firm with a global presence. We're exceptionally customer service focused. We only work on 5 to 7 searches at any given time. This way we can do our own research and personally vet and present every candidate to our client. One reason we can do this is we belong to the top echelon network, which gives us access to the resources of over 1,000 independent recruiters around the country, and by extension, their network of tens of thousands of relationships with candidates. We also belong to IACPR, the premier global executive search industry group. We have a local presence in all of the world's major capitals and many more major cities, so we can cast a very broad and deep net while providing our client with a single point of contact. Finally, we're results focused. We believe the best business development is superior execution. We only work for a handful of clients at a time because by doing more recruiting for fewer companies, with each search we become even better at finding candidates that are a good cultural fit. Over 95% of our searches are repeat searches for existing clients or searches for new clients who are referred to us. Our clients tell us that it's our ability to identify, assess, and present the most qualified individuals in the shortest period of time that sets us apart. Bottom line, if you're in an information-intensive industry or have a mission-critical function, we'd love to learn more about you. You can learn more about us, including how to contact us at bolandgroup.com.